Most people get this wrong when they try to increase their loan limit. They assume it is something they can manually request and instantly get approved. But here's the truth no one tells you. Loan limits are not really requested. They are earned based on your financial behavior. In this video, we are breaking down exactly how possible finance loan limits work in 2026, and the real steps you can take to increase yours safely and consistently. Let's start with the basics. Possible Finance determines your loan limit using your income patterns, bank activity, repayment history, and account stability. So if your limit is low right now, it is not random. It is based on how the system sees your financial reliability. Now here's where it gets interesting. Think about someone like Alex who just signed up. He might start with a small limit because the app has no repayment history on him yet. That is normal. The system is testing trust. But here's the problem most people run into. They borrow once, repay late, or have inconsistent income deposits, and then wonder why their limit never increases. The system is designed to reward consistency, not one-time activity. So how do you actually increase your limit in 2026? First, focus on on-time repayments. This is the biggest factor. Even a single late payment can slow down your growth for months. Second, keep your bank activity stable. Regular deposits from the same source help the system trust your income pattern. For example, Jake, who gets paid weekly from the same employer, will usually build limits faster than someone with random deposits. Now here's something most users miss. You do not need to borrow the maximum amount every time. In fact, starting small and repaying early can signal strong financial discipline. That often leads to gradual limit increases over time. Third, avoid unnecessary account changes. Switching banks, disconnecting your account, or frequently updating details can reset your trust score inside the system. Now here's where it gets really important. Possible Finance is not just looking at how much money you have. It is looking at how predictable your money behavior is. Predictability equals trust. Trust equals higher limits. So instead of trying to force a limit increase, focus on building a pattern the system can rely on. To summarize, increasing your Possible Finance loan limit in 2026 comes down to three things: on-time repayments, stable income deposits, and consistent account behavior over time. There is no shortcut, but there is a clear system. And once you understand it, your limit naturally grows with your financial reliability. If this helped you understand how it really works, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple financial breakdowns like this.